Want to see something cool? Check out this thing. So you can be walking in this paradise in Guam, and all of a sudden, here it is, World War II bunker, just like that, on the beach. Oh, there's coconuts inside. Wow, bunker from the World War II. This, I guess, where the gun emplacement was. Oh, and on the other side as well. What about this side? Yep, there's another one right here too. Wow. So that's kind of, there's a lot of history here from World War II on Guam, from the times when Japanese were holding this island. And it was a big offensive in here. Strategically important place. There it is, that's one of the examples.